There's a couple of easy ways to restart your Android phone. My go-to is to swipe down from the top right corner, and then on the top right corner, tap that power button. This brings up the power off menu, which also has a dedicated button for restarting your phone. Tap restart and then confirm by tapping again, and your phone will restart. Restarting usually takes a minute, and once it's done, you'll be back at your home screen. Another quick way to do this is by using the side button. Press and hold, and it'll open up the same menu where you can restart your phone. Sometimes holding down the side button can do something else on your phone. For example, open the digital AI assistant. If that's the case, you can always change it. Go to Settings and scroll down to Advanced Features. Then choose Side button, and here we can configure what happens when you long press the button. I'm not a fan of the digital assistant, so I like to use my button for the power off menu. And that's how you restart your Android phone. Depending on your phone model, the menus might look a little different, but the process is the same. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this.